Baby,
That's
you
my first time getting a wax.
what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Girl, I can't lie. And like a you watch her back it up. She do that tongue, that's what's up. Right after we fuck, pop a molly.
Come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Guys, so these are the nails, and I love them. I went short again. This is my second time getting short nails. So yeah, it's really cute. Focus. Focus. Okay, whatever. But yeah. Focus.
That's fine. I won't. Don't try too much.
I'll try not to. Okay, y'all. I just made it to the waxing place for my appointment. Hello. Good. I had an 8:30 appointment.
Like I just said.
No, you're okay.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else.
So I just got back from my wax appointment. I couldn't record in there. They told me I wasn't allowed to record, but I did record myself walking in, as y'all saw, so I'll put that in there. This is my first time getting a wax, and it honestly wasn't as bad as y'all were making it seem. Like, it's definitely painful, but it's bearable. Oh, and I also I saw somewhere online that if you take a pain pill or pain reliever 30 minutes before your appointment, it helps, and I did that, so maybe that's why it didn't hurt so bad. So I'm gonna just keep doing that. So yeah, let's look at my checklist, y'all, of the things I need to do. I know I look a mess right now because my hair not done, but yeah. So I got my nails and my toes done, check. I got my wax today, check. So the only two things that I have to get done now are my lashes, and I'm getting my lashes done tomorrow at 3:30. Then after that, I need to do my hair. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm on my way to my lash appointment. Hopefully I can record a little bit when I'm getting my lashes done.
Come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you?
I just got back from my lash appointment, and this is how they look. I couldn't record because it was like in her house and stuff, so I just didn't bother. But yeah, this is how they look. I think she did pretty good. This is like maybe like my second time getting my lashes done where I actually think they look good, where I actually like them. So we'll see how they hold up. Now that I got my lashes done, I got my lashes done, my nails and my toes done, and what else did I get done? I got my wax. Now I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to hop in the shower and wash my hair. I probably should have washed my hair before I went, because you know you're not supposed to get your lashes wet. But yeah, I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. And yeah, here, and I'm trying to decide on which style to do. I don't know if I want to do a lock knot slash bob Barbie ponytail, or if I'm gonna curl it. I most likely will attempt to curl it, just because I'm dancing at an event and the type of style of dance that I'm doing is majorette, and I just feel like curly hair will really fit the majorette style, you know. And I feel like having my hair down, you know, I can whip it and stuff. So yeah, I will see y'all after I get out the shower and I'm doing my hair. I just want to show y'all how I was gonna take a shower Because I just got the lashes done and y'all know you're not supposed to get them wet in the first 24 hours. But yeah, this is how I'm about to take my shower, so I will see y'all after.
Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you.
It's like a microphone. Like, you know, it's like...
You can't be working in the background that much.
No.
That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why.
Okay, so now that everything is done and I put and twist and I'm about to spritz my hair. Okay, now I'm gonna sit under the dryer.
Give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Okay, y'all, so the camera actually died, but this is how my hair ended up turning out. And this is actually going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I post again.